in Xojo 2023 Release 2, you can add more actions to tables on your iOS apps. As you probably know, in past releases of Xojo, it was only possible to add regular actions through the implementation of the Apply Actions for Row event. These actions are the ones displayed when the user drags a row from right to left. Now you can implement the Apply Leading Actions for Rows event handler. Here you can use the same classes to add as many actions as you need to show in the table, with the difference that these will be displayed when the user drags the table row from left to right. So as you can see in the example, we add the actions to be shown when dragging from right to left in the Apply Actions for Row event and in the new handler we are adding to every row in the table. You will be able to know what action has been selected by the user through the Row Action Selected event handler. This event receives the section, row, and tag assigned to the received action as parameters, so you can rely on these in order to identify the selected action and execute the required code in response. If we run our example iOS app, we can see how the actions of the table rows are displayed when dragging from right to left, and how row action selected is fired as a response of the user tapping on the action. So a message is displayed with the section, row, and the assigned tag. The new leading actions are displayed when the user drags the row from left to right and shows 3 actions are added and responding to the native table control. Once again, the Row Action Selected event is fired when the user taps on any of these actions, displaying the message with the received parameters. Of course, you will want to use this event to execute more useful code as the response of the user selecting any of the row's actions. In summary, you can now add more flexibility to the UI of your rows tables to display the actions at both sides of rows.